Hey, what is up, y'all? This is Keith James Dunn, aka the Broker Guy. Hey, today we're going to be learning how to add this into your mortgage website. So we're going to add the mortgage rates in here. So as you can see, these are trending, these are updated daily, and you get the 30-year, 15-year. It's all from Optimal Blue. So we're going to start out by heading over to this website. I will add this link in the comment section. So on YouTube, check the comment section. And while you're there, please like this as well and subscribe. But let's jump in here. So click this link. You're going to end up here. We want to go to the default, and that's going to give you this. So we're literally creating our own widget. If you want to make your own, you can always assign your own sections here. So if you want rows, 5 rows, you can continue to add FHA, VA, USDA, or if you want to leave any of those out. But again, we're just going to stick with the default. I'm going to go to next. These are the default colors, but again, you can change these up as you please. Okay, we'll go to next here. Check that little box, get widget code. Now you're going to take this, copy it. That is the code to put this into your website. Now you want to head over to Bluehost. Go into My Sites. You want to click into the website you want to add this to. And we want to go to Edit Site and Builder. All right. Now we want to flip this back to just the WordPress dashboard. Once this loads up. And again, to do that, you go to the WP admin. Now we're going to add a new page. Call this mortgage rates. We're going to use the default, and then like we always do, get rid of that. Now we want to add block. We want HTML, so custom HTML code. And then from what we copied, we're just going to literally paste that right there. What we also want to do is we always want to add the Apply Now button in every section. So I'm going to make a little spacer below the rate sheet here. And then I'm going to add another block. I'm going to type in button. So I give you a little button right here. Apply Now. And then we can make this link to our site. So to do that, you want to go over to your website, click the Apply Now button, and then copy that URL. So now we're going to go back here, click this little, it's supposed to be a little paperclip, which is a link. Put that right in there, use URL, open a new tab, and that is literally it. Now we're going to publish this. Boom, I just literally viewed it. So I'm gonna go back just to show you that one more time after you publish it. This is all it is, just that code. If you want to make any changes here, of course you can update that. We'll update, preview, open a new tab. There you go. So now we're going to take this. So we don't want this whole preview part. We want to get rid of this, but you just want to highlight the code, right, or the URL. That's the actual page. I want to go back here, click back into WordPress, top left. And then we want to scroll down here, scroll up actually to the website builder. So this is going to take you to the Bluehost website builder that we've been using. All right, now we're back at the Bluehost website builder. I'm going to go to menus and pages. I'm going to go to new page. I'm going to click on this external link. And from what we copy and pasted, you want to put that in here. That's the link. You want to put just rates, and then we'll put open a new tab and add the page. Now go back to the menus and pages, and you want to make sure this is viewable, so you can always remove it, but you want to show in primary menu. And then we're going to publish. Now, after we publish this, I'm going to show you what it looks like. And you are all set, literally. So go here, that's your page. Now you have this little rates icon here. Your clients click on, they can see all the rates there. These are the averages, 30-day range averages in the country. They get credit LTV, rate trends as well. So you can kind of track it there. But you always, always, always want to have this apply now button. So there's always a call to action on each page. Hey, again, thank you guys so much. Hopefully you got something out of this. If you need any help, of course, leave some comments, shoot me a call, email, anything like that. And always, please like and subscribe. Thanks again.